The open source Airtable Alternative turns any MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQL Server, SQLite, and MariaDB into a smart spreadsheet. Website, Discord community, Twitter, Reddit, documentation. See other languages. Join our team. Join our community. Quick try Docker with PostgreSQL Docker run d-name no PostgreSQL nocodb /apps a8ae encdb pg/host.docker.inl5432 up equals password and d1 size enc auth score jwt score secret 853 to the 1 35 e88 eb85 tilinft nocodb /. With SQLite, mounting volume /user apps data is crucial to avoid data loss. Docker run data pwdd flap nocode gila /user a ditus p8l8 latest binaries. Binaries are intended for only quick trials or testing purposes and are not recommended for production use. OS architecture command. macOS ARM64 curl hget.nocodb.com/macos-arm64-o nod plus x nocodb and in nocodb max / macOS x64 curl macOS x64 mat-o nocodb del inch modplex nocodb linux nocodb linux x64.com/linux x64-l and tich mod plus x nocodb and as nocodb Linux ARM64 curl /Linux ARM64 nocodex Linux nocodb Windows x64 IWR HTTP /get.nocodb.com win x64.exe nocowin x64.exe anon nocowin x64.exe Windows ARM64 IWR HTTP no64.exe nocowin-arm64.exe and nocowin arm64.exe impose. We provide different docker compose.yml files under the dist directory. Here are some examples. Git clone x like github.com/nocodb cd nocodb pg compose pgui access dashboard using /localhost 880/dashboard screenshots. Table of contents. Quick try Docker compose GUI. Join our community screenshots, table of contents, features, rich spreadsheet interface, app store for workflow automations, programmatic access, sync schema, audit production setup, environment variables, development setup, contributing. Why are we building this? Our mission. License contributors, features, rich spreadsheet interface, basic operations, create, read, update and delete tables, columns, and rows. Fields operations, sort, filter, hide, unhide columns. Multiple views, types, grid by default, gallery form view and Kanban view, view permissions, types collaborative views and locked views. Share bases views, either public or private with password protected. Variant cell types, ID, link to another record, lookup, rollup, single line text, attachment, currency, formula, etc. Access control with roles, fine-grained access control at different levels, and more. App Store for workflow automations. We provide different integrations in 3 main categories. See App Store for details. Chat, Slack, Discord, Mattermost, and etc. Email, AWS SES, SMT, Mailer, Send, and etc. Storage, AWS S3, Google Cloud Storage, Minu, and etc. Programmatic access. We provide the following ways to let users programmatically invoke actions. You can use a token, either JWT or social auth, to sign your requests for authorization to nocodb. REST API's nocodb SDK sync schema. We allow you to sync schema changes if you have made changes outside nocodb GUI. However, it has to be noted then you will have to bring your own schema migrations for moving from one environment to another. See sync schema for details. Audit. We are keeping all the user operation logs in one place. See audit for details. Production setup. By default, SQLite is used for storing metadata. However, you can specify your database. The connection parameters for this database can be specified in ncdb environment variable. Moreover, we also provide the below environment variables for configuration. Environment variables. Please refer to the environment variables development setup. Please refer to development setup contributing. Please refer to contribution guide. Why are we building this? Most internet businesses equip themselves with either spreadsheet or a database to solve their business needs. Spreadsheets are used by billion-plus humans. See